Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Lotto, and today we are going to read a book about flowers. Afterwards, you can write your own book. Let's go. Have you ever seen a flower? I mean, really seen a flower. I mean, way down in the clover, with your face down in a flower. Have you ever seen a flower using nothing but your nose? Breathe deep. What do you see? Raindrops made of honey? The knees of bumblebees? A fancy lady? Dancing babies at the Royal Jelly Jubilee? Have you ever seen a flower so deep you had to shout, "Hello!" and listen for an echo just to know how deep it goes? And did you wonder, if you wandered down between its golden columns and into its corridors, who you might meet? Maybe a tiny queen. Have you ever felt a flower? Do a flower petal's veins feel like the veins beneath your skin? Have you ever pricked your finger or fallen on your knee and seen the brilliant color of your life? Life is inside you. Life is all around you. Now put your hands on your belly and say, "This is my stem." Now sip a drip of water and stand very still. Feel it slip and trickle all the way down to your roots. Do you feel yourself growing? Do you feel yourself stretching toward the sun, ready to burst and bloom? Have you ever been a flower? I mean, really been a flower? And if you were, would you remember? Try and see. You can find more short poetry books like this one on my YouTube channel, Anna Lotto, and a list of books like this one on my webpage, Marymount University, School of Education, Picture Books for Teaching English Learners, and in my book, Teaching Beginner English Language Learners with Picture Books. Thanks.